Hello there. Today we're going to do number 14.2 and we're going to do number 33 and number 35 here on this video. So what we've got is partial derivatives, right? And it's, we're in the world now of three variable functions, right? Two variable functions and with one output. So we do know that when we are doing the derivatives with respect to one variable. For example, so for number 33, for example, where z is x to the 7th plus 2 to the y plus x to the y. Now, what do we know? So first, we know that all of the y's are going to be what? Constant. So these are going to be constant. Okay. Then from here on, x to the 7th will be 7x to the 6th, which is pretty classical. And 2 to the y. Now what does that become? 0. Why? It's a constant. Now x to the y. Now this might be a tricky thing, but let's just think of y as, I don't know, 7. Yeah, 7. So what are we going to, if y were 7, what are we going to do? We're going to put this as 7x to the 6th as derivative, and we know the power rule, which is going to be we get the y down, and the exponent is going to be what? Y minus 1. Good, right? Now we're going to do something with respect to y. X to the 7th is what then? It's a constant, so we know that x are constant, so it's going to be we're not going to care about x when we're differentiating, so this is going to be 0, and 2 to the y is going to be, now here's the thing, every base which is not an e, yes, we multiply the natural log of that base, and it's going to be 2 to the y. Now here, what is x going to be then? X is going to be treated just like how we did with 2 a bit ago. So it's a constant, right? So we are going to take the natural log of x and x to the y. We're going to multiply. Number 35. Okay, round f round x when x and y are pi over 3 and 1 is respectively, and we know that x and y is x ln of x cosine of x, and we are doing this with respect to x. So we are going to we first know that we have to use the product rule for here. So we have to differentiate this. First it's going to be let's differentiate the left function. This is going to be left, and this is going to be the right function. Okay, so it's going to be ln of y cosine of x, and next we are going to have x times y cosine of x, but the derivative of that is going to be what? It's going to be y, it's negative y sine of x. True? Okay, so we do know at this stage that we have to cancel the y's, and it's going to be ln of y cosine of x plus x negative x tangent x. So we are going to evaluate this at the we're going to evaluate this at pi over 3 and 1. Oh god, I had a tough time speaking about this. And we know that y cosine of x here will be cosine of pi over 3, which is a half, and tangent of x is of tangent of pi over 3 is going to be 1 over square root of 3. In fact, it's not going to be 1 over square root of 3. I'm sorry, I'm just not remembering my pre-cal honours stuff, tricks, and it was Yeah, sorry. It's square root of 3. That's all it is. I beg your pardon. Because, right. So, now and we do know, however, that x is pi over 3. Okay. So at this stage, what we've got is it's ln of a half plus pi over square root of 3. This is the derivative of f with respect to x. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I hope you could clarify some of your lingering questions from this video. Thank you.